Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add logos to videos in DaVinci Resolve. This is a fantastic skill to have, especially if you're looking to brand your content or add a professional watermark to your videos. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches, you'll see the main interface with several options at the bottom of your screen. Look for the button labeled Edit and click on it. This will take you into the editing workspace where you'll be able to manipulate your video and add your logo. Now that you're in the editing workspace, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find the media pool section. Click on it to access your media management area. This is where all your imported files, including videos, audio, and images, are stored and organized for your project. To bring your logo into DaVinci Resolve, you'll need to import it into the media pool. Right-click anywhere within the media pool area, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Import Media. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate through your computer's folders. Locate your logo file in the browser. It could be a PNG, JPEG, or any other image format. Once you've found it, click on the logo to select it, and then click Open. Your logo will now appear in the media pool, ready to be added to your video project. Next, it's time to add the logo to your timeline. Click and drag your logo from the media pool down to your timeline. You'll want to place it on a video track above your main video footage so it appears as an overlay. Drop it there to add it to the project. Once your logo is on the timeline, you'll need to adjust its duration to match the length of your video. Click on the edge of the logo clip and drag it to extend its width until it reaches the end of your video. This ensures your logo appears throughout the entire duration of your footage. Now let's customize how your logo looks on screen. Click on the logo clip in your timeline to select it. Then look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Inspector panel. Click on Inspector to open it. This panel gives you control over various properties of your selected clip. Within the inspector, you'll see options for Zoom X and Zoom Y. These controls allow you to adjust the size of your logo, increase or decrease these values until your logo is the perfect size for your video. You want it to be visible but not overwhelming. Finally, adjust the position X and position Y values to move your logo to your preferred location on the screen. Many people place logos in the bottom right or top left corner, but you can position it wherever suits your branding best. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo to your video in DaVinci Resolve. Your content is now branded and ready to share. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.